and find the value of x and y using cross multiplication method. Then firstly we let 1 by x equal m, 1 by y equal n. Then this equation becomes a square by x means a square into 1 by x, and 1 by x is m, then it is equal a square m. Then we can write this first equation in the form from first a square m minus b square n equals 0. Put it plus 0 equals 0. It is C1, A1, B1, C1. From second we have a square b m plus b square a n minus a plus b, it is C2. Then from cross multiplication method we have m by, hide the coefficient of m, minus b square plus b square a minus b square means coefficient of y, b square a, 0 which is C1, and C2 is minus a plus b. Now n by, hide the coefficient of n, 0 minus a plus b means C1 C2, C1 C2, a square b, coefficient of m, 1 by coefficient of m and coefficient of n. Now m by multiplying this term minus b square into minus a plus b, we have b square into a plus b, and b square a into 1 means 0. B square a to 1 means 0. N by 0 into a square be 0 minus a square into minus a plus b, minus into minus plus, and a square a plus b, 1 by a square into b square a means a square b square a plus minus into minus and minus b square into a square b, then it is plus a square b cube. A square into b square a, then ab square into a square, ab square into a square, and a square b into b square, which is a square b square cube. Then we have m by b square a plus b, n by a square a plus b, and it is equal 1 by a square b square common. We have a square b square common, then a plus b. The value of m is equal for finding the value of m by b square a plus b is equal 1 by a square b square a plus b. Then m equal b square a plus b by a square b square a plus b. A plus b cancel out, b square cancel out. The value of m is equal 1 by a square. For n we have n by a square a plus b, 1 by a square b square a plus b. Then value of n equal a square a plus b by a square b square a plus b. A square cancel, 1 by b square. It is the value of n. But we have to find the value of x and y, and the m equal 1 by x, n equal 1 by y. Then m equal 1 by x. Put the value of m. One by a square equal 1 by x. Then x equal a square. Now n equal 1 by y. Put the value of n. 1 by b square equal 1 by y. Then y equal b square. And it is the solution of given linear equation.